Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. We can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon next to the brightness icon. To enable the mode, tap on this icon, and when this menu appears, you can select one of the options. We have Enable DND, Time DND, and Smart DND. And of course there is option Do Not Enable, which if it's selected, the Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. The Enable DND is an option that if you select it, it's gonna turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and it's gonna stay on until you turn it off. Time DND option allows you to basically set up schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So the start time it's gonna turn on automatically, and end time it's gonna turn off automatically. And if you select this option, you can tap on this arrow right here to set the start time, end time, like that. Next we have Smart DND, and this option will turn on automatically the Do Not Disturb mode when you go to sleep with your watch on. So if you're sleeping with your watch on your wrist, it's gonna detect you're sleeping and it's gonna turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. And when you wake up, it's gonna turn it off. And of course, like I said, Do Not Enable is how you turn it off. So select the option you like, go back by pressing the home button, and as you can see, the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can tell by this icon, and each specific type of Do Not Disturb mode has different icons. If I select Time DND, it should look like this. That's the Time DND icon, and Smart DND looks like this. And once you decide to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon, and select the Do Not Enable, and then press the home button or swipe right on the screen. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.